So, March 2, 2023, the night before my math board exam. Anxiety, pressure. I studied all year, yet I couldn't solve a simple NCRT question. I was literally about to cry. But then, I did the first right thing. I talked to my parents and friends. Turns out, I wasn't alone. But still, the thought haunted me. Others are studying and I am here still not being able to solve a question. But then I thought, why should I care about opinions from people who don't know my struggles? So I decided to give my 100% and not care about the results. Cause only I know my struggles. So the exam starts and the first two questions I am blank. 15 minutes gone, anxiety kicking in, then I stopped. I put my pen down, closed my eyes, and took 3 deep breaths. Then I skipped ahead, took on the third question, and actually solved it. Confidence boost. One by one, I solved 10 questions, went back, fixed the silly mistakes, and walked out knowing that I gave my best. So the point is, positive affirmation is the key. I know you have more to study, more to revise, the pressure from peers, the expectations from parents. It's overwhelming, I know. But listen, you are not alone. Anyone who's serious about their prep is facing this thing. The only way through, a positive mindset. And no one, I mean literally no one is born calm. But you can train yourself. Learn from my case. Talk about your stress, it helps. Take deep breaths and drink water to reset your anxiety. And remember, at the end of the day, it's just an exam and it will always be just an exam.